Hi, I'm Meenakshi Dua. I have been associated with the aviation industry for close to 32 years, 31 years with Air India, and about the rest of the time with Bird Academy now. With Air India, I was a regional director for Northern Region, and prior to that in HR. My association with Bird Academy is a year old, and I head the Bird Academy. During my interaction with various colleagues in Bird Academy, I have found Nupur Chablani, who is the General Manager of Corporate Communications, to be a very able person, a person who I would very strongly recommend for the Young High Flyer Award. She's a person who's very determined to do what she wants to do, very firm, and yet soft, very articulate, very well read, extremely good in communication, yet has a very compassionate side to herself, which gives us a very balanced kind of stature. She's approachable, yet knows when to say no to media, interacts with the ministry, interacts with the various agencies and people who are in high positions, and yet maintains a very dignified presence. I have seen Nupur involving herself completely with any project that has come up, be it branding of the academy, be it the event where we had launched the aviation multi development center at Chandigarh, the skill development center, the events at Bangalore, or it was Aero India, whether it was any convocation ceremony, any function that has been held, one has to just close one's eye and leave it to Nupur to handle the situation. She's highly responsible, mature, and takes her job very seriously. A keen learner, is always interested in knowing more, learning, and very well read. And the best part is that she's very grounded. A person who has all the leadership skills, qualities, which the team looks up to. And I'm sure she's on the right path at this young age in her career where she stands. She not only will make the Bird Group a brand, she will also herself be an inspiration and a brand for others. And she has actively participated in bringing children, young girls, into the fold of aviation. She has handled many programs with the help of Airport Authority where young girls have been uh, given information and taken around the airport for them to know what opportunities wait for them in the aviation field. And she has brought a lot of knowledge to the fore in such events. She has been instrumental in bringing a lot of women into the fold of women in aviation so that a strong forum can do a lot more. We've had lots of events, including the regional training partners association with the IATA or the conference, the global partners conference. In all of them, you see one person doing everything but maintaining an extremely cool countenance, and that is Nupur. Therefore, I very strongly feel that she deserves this Young High Flyer award. Thank you.